Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So let's analyze the charts of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's start with the Nifty. So here you can see Nifty has given a good rally today, and though the price action looks pretty simple, it was not, because since last 1 week maybe Nifty is not behaving the way it actually behaves. So the volatility is I mean, there is more volatility in the market. If you see, this is the budget candle, and we have not given any breakout or breakdown from those levels, right? So we are still in consolidating in the budget candle. So these are the levels, and this was the level I actually draw today to find out the intraday trades. I'll show you in detail. But otherwise, you can see the price action is not that easy to understand for last 1 week, because we are getting uh, 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 unnecessary or random moves in single direction and then recovering back to the original position. So here you can see, I'll show you first the 15-minute chart, or maybe hourly. So this is the price action that I was talking about. It is going down, then again V-shaped recovery, and all those things are happening. So today at the start of the day, it was a good pick actually. So I had these levels on my mind, that this is where we will face the resistance, right? And this is where it gave a breakout. So if you see the first candle of the day, it actually closed above this. So that's where we got a hint that Nifty will be going up today. But though it was not the easier identification of the trend, because you can see that there are big red candles and then sudden green candles above that, right? So it was not a simple day to trade, but let me show you a few other things. So as we talk, these are the levels, the whatever levels we have already drawn, right? So these will be the very key areas around which we might see a breakdown or break. Uh, yeah. So here we can see a breakout above these levels, so 975 maybe, and below these levels we may see a breakdown. So as of now, these are the levels, but for intraday, you can wisely choose around something around this, right? So which is 850 or maybe 900, because yeah, these are the psychological levels. And again, on the downside, you can play for this 650. So these are the two levels. So upon breaking of either of them, we can try to retest the budget candles, right? So that's the idea. We'll keep it. I mean, the price action is tight, and in that we'll just try to keep up with the trend. So that's on Nifty. I'll show you weekly as well. So on weekly, you can see. So this was the level that we were talking about, 17,400, right? So from 400, it has given almost 450 points in a week. So that's a good thing actually. If anyone would have bought around this area, will be in a good profit. But I'm not sure if they are holding that or not, because the price action is so scary that uh, you'll feel like cutting off the position quite often. So that's on Nifty. On Bank Nifty, you can see the same price action is going on. So Bank Nifty today did not give any returns as compared to the Nifty, because Nifty was almost up around 1%, but Bank Nifty is not. So here you can see this was the trend line I drawn for understanding the support. So around this area. So we started the day today. I'll show you. So this was the candle where actually this RBI policy was announced, and at this point, it actually ate all the stop losses on the upper side, and then again the Bank Nifty actually broke down. So uh, so this was the price action for the entire day, which was actually pretty boring. But if you are trading in the tight zone, you would have faced that your stop losses are being hunted, right? So You can see the similar pattern here, green candles and then big red, again green, big red, again green, then big red. It was not an ideal day for day traders who are not expecting this much of volatility. But actually, it actually showed some respect to all the levels we have drawn already. So here you can see on hourly as well how volatile this is. You can see the big green candles and then big red candles as well. So it is better if you don't understand anything, it is better to keep aside. And this is the level where actually it pierced up and then again started going down. So on Bank Nifty, the levels you can keep in mind are so 41800 around, or 41900, because this is the budget day candle. Again, we'll follow the same thing. If we go above the budget day candle, which is this, okay, 42,000, and on the lower side, it is this one. So we are very far from lower side, but you never know. We may see this in upcoming weeks as well. So quite interesting to see how it behaves, and based on that, we'll take the trade. Bank Nifty below 41,000 will be very weak, and most likely it will achieve this target in a very quick span of time. But otherwise, if we able to sustain above 42,000, we may see 42,300 in maybe intraday, 15 minute or 1 hour candle. And on the upper side, this is again the second target, which is 42,600. But most likely, if you see on the weekly basis, there is a, so we are around this level, right? So this will be very key level because it has respected this over the period of time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here as well, if you see price action wise, the price has gone down and it is retesting this. So this could be end of the rally as well, or it could be start of the rally based on where we close this week and next week, right? And from here we may see downtrend, or from here we may see uptrend as well. So we are prepared for both. We'll keep an eye on the levels and we'll trade according to that. So that's it for today. And if you really like the work, leave like, comment, and shares. And you can subscribe to the channel as well. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.